dopest Amazon products.
Okay, how did I get my couch from this to this? Simply put, it's a fitted sheet made specifically for your couch. They're ultra soft and come in a million different designs. Now, your couches are protected and funky cute.
My progress with the gripper. Day 1, this hard ASF. Day 4, feeling stronger. Day 7, started getting veins and 10 times stronger.
Collapsible whisk. It expands when you twist it at the base for whipping up your ingredients and flattens completely for blending. You can scrape all the ingredients off your whisk super easily, it's dishwasher safe, and you can store it away in the drawer without taking up too much room.